Hey guys, it's Camilla here and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. And today I'm just going to be sharing with you what I got from Louis Vuitton. I got all of these for Christmas and I'm just so excited to unbox them with you guys. As you can see, I've got a few boxes to share, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos. I've got more upcoming unboxing from what I got for Christmas. So yeah, let's just get started. So this piece is something that I actually didn't think I would get this year because it's such a popular piece, and just by chance my SA found it as she was serving the client before me, so she gave it to me and she said take it because it's quite rare. And yeah, so I'm really excited to get this one, which is the mini pochette in Monogram. There you go, this one or this one? Or this one? Which one?
Go the white one.
This one? Okay. So this piece is actually something that I didn't think I would get as well. I wasn't looking for this piece, but I just wanted to complete the trifecta, so I got this one by chance. I asked my SA on that day if they had it, and they had 3, and I chose this one, so I'm really excited. So I don't know if you already could tell from the packaging what it is, but let's just reveal to see what it is. And it's the mini pochette in Damier Azur. So I'm so happy because I've got the mini pochette in Damier Bean, so now I have the trifecta, and it's really cool because these pieces are very hard to get these days compared to how it was 3 years ago. So I think these are classic pieces that will last me for a while. And yeah, let's go this one. So this one I got before the 2 mini pochettes, and this is something that I actually really wanted because I use my mini pochette as a catch-all, and this one really fits what I need it for. So I shall reveal it right now and you will know what it is. And it's the Toiletry 15. So I'm really excited to use this one because it fits more than the mini pochette, and the inner lining is wipeable, so it really fits as a toiletry pouch, which I use the mini pochette for all these years. So yeah, I'm really excited. Now this one is something from the Game On collection, and I really wanted something from the Game On collection because I think it's quite rare and I like the black and white print of it. So I'm not sure if you can guess what it is now, and my SA gave me 2 sample perfumes, which is nice. She actually gave me 3, but I used the other one already. So this one is the Game On Bandeau, and I'm really excited because I have the Pochette Matisse in Monogram and I want to cover the vachetta handle, so I think this is really pretty how it's black and white. And so yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video, and please stay tuned for the part 2 of this video, which is me unboxing the 3 big boxes that you can see, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys because they're quite unicorn pieces. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.